Kai Soto, binalagbag ang import na si Horses Mikawa
Soto will score there.
na kung saan sa isang play ay nangbuli na naman itong si Kai sa ilalim at wala nang nagawa ang kalabang import. Look at this play. Isang low post play pero kakaibang move ito ni Kai dahil instead na lumayo ang kanyang defender ay inararo pa ni Kai ang import para sa isang sure 2 points. And when sana ito dahil kinapitan na si Kai pero bulag pa rin ang referee as usual. And in another play ay binalagbag ni Kai ang mga kalaban sa isang fast break 200 dunk.
Inside, big slam there. First points in the ball game for Kai. First points in the ball game.
Talaga namang very obvious ang skills ni Kai dito na pang NBA. Let's look at it again. Look at the elevation. Look at the grace. At napaka-natural tingnan na parang hindi legit 7-3 ang gumawa. At nag-point guard pa itong si Kai Soto sa isang play. Parang gustong mag-Eurostep dito ni Kai, pero hindi siya binigyan ng puwang ng depensa at binalagbag niya ang lahat nang gumawa siya ng isang pinpoint pass to a shooter sa labas.
Gets it over the outstretched arms of Kai Soto. Nice swing, Sudo for
Boom!
three. Yes,
Pasok!
their first
What a pass!
3-point
What a
shot.
play! Ikaw ba yan, Chris Paul? At eto ang sayang. Look at this play. Everything but the shot. Nakuha dito ang bola ni Kai and he made a shot fake na talagang napatalon ang kanyang defender, made a spin move, at tinapos ng isang one-handed shot na nagmintes. This move reminds me of Hakeem Olajuwon. Talagang binalagbag ni Kai ang lahat nang pinulot niya ang rebound at sinalampak ang bola with authority.
Side, Kai Soto's gonna miss. This time he slams it through. No chance you're gonna
At
miss
hindi
it.
pa tapos itong si Kai, meron pa siyang pahabol na alley-oop dunk. Well, not the best game for Yokohama, pero impressive pa rin ang kanyang 11 points and 11 rebounds, isang double-double pa rin.
Game actually has had a very good flow offensively. That's a nice slam there from Kai once again.
It's game day. Yokohama B Corsairs versus Seahorses Mikawa. First quarter, sinimula ng fast break 200 dunk ni Kai Soto.
Inside, big slam there.
Para sa unang puntos ng Yokohama B Corsairs. At open dito si Kai pero di pinasahan, buti na lang at nakuha pa ni Kai ang offensive rebound galing sa mintes ng kanyang kakampi. At dito, gandang depensa ni Kai, di nakaporma ang NBA player na nag-posterize ni Taco Fall. At sinundan pa agad ng isang tip-in pa ni Kai, knocks it down. At kakapasok pa lang dito ni Kai, pero kuha niya ang rebound agad. At dito, binuhat ni Kai ang kalaban at naihabol pa niya ang kanyang turnaround layup.
Soto
End of the first
will
half,
score there.
44-19, lamang ng 25 points ang Mikawa. 0 out of 17 dito ang 3-pointers ng Yokohama. Third quarter na. At last, nakapasok na rin ng 3-pointer ang Yokohama, galing kay Sudo, courtesy of the assist ni Kai Soto. At napakagandang one-handed slam ni Kai galing sa kanyang rebound sa kanyang mintis na tira. Talagang napakagandang follow-up dito ni Kai. At kuha naman ng another rebounds dito si Kai. At eto pa, gandang slam dunk, alley-oop pass, galing sa paso ni Utah.
Very good flow offensively.
64-42, baon ng 22 points dito ang Yokohama. At nagtala dito ng 10 points si Kai Soto. Fourth quarter, pinapasok na lang si Kai at 2 minutes 44 seconds left. At dito, pinaul agad si Kai, kaya nakasungkit ng free throw, pasok ang isang tira. At sa huli, panalo ang Seahorses Mikawa 77-55, talo ang Yokohama B Corsairs ng 22 points. At Kai Soto, double-double pa rin sa kanyang 11 points and 11 rebounds with 2 assists.
Inside, big slam there. Nice tip. Soto will score there. He was asking for a foul there. What? Game actually has had a very good flow offensively. That's a nice slam there from Kai once again. Good toss. Nothing doing. And there, Kai Soto will be fouled. Decent stat line. Unfortunately, loss number 5 straight in the last month for Kai. Soto will score there. Inside, big slam there. First points in the ball game for Kai. First points in the ball game